It's Sunday morning, and here in the flames are the names going up in smoke who thought I was a joke. No longer and never ever again will I be broke, for these words have now been spoke. My vows that I gave to you, this is what I'm gonna do. I promise no longer more to anyone else but myself to be the best version of myself. And God, let me be part of your plan, because I am your man, your jester, and I suggest to you that you listen to my name going up in flames. My name is Colin, and I am only following one Lord, one God, and I only live here in this universe. Paradies Dresta is mine to keep, and the truth I will seek. To learn while burning all the bridges of all the ridges that keep me holding back. There's no more excuses, and no more loops. It's all about the troops, the boots on the ground. And can you hear the sound? That's the drums, because we're going to have fun and we're going to win. Ooh, we're going to win. So fuck off with all your sin.